Okay, so I'm a little close again, and you can see the difference between this side of my face, where the blush is, and where it isn't. And I'm just going to apply Hard to Get by MAC on, this is a blush brush, I believe. I have so many brushes, I don't even know. I use all of my brushes for anything. If it works, it works. And I actually use a lot. I feel like more is more when I'm using blush. I just love blush. And I think that for me, it helps me contour my face without actually having to contour my face, because I do not know how to contour my face. Okay, so I'm going to zoom a little and just pronounce my cheekbones. And you can see it's just so pretty. It's so subtle. And I'm dramatic. I go like up my temples. I got a little under my eye. I'll fix that with a little foundation, but I'm super dramatic with my blush. So as you can see, I'm in the sunlight and it just has a very natural glow against my complexion. It's not too much, but I just feel like it warms up my face, and I think that's the thing I really love about a good blush. And this is like a bronzy, like mauve almost shade. But yeah, I really love blush, and so I hope all you brown girls out there will play in some blush this weekend or this week.